Welcome back guys sa ating channel, Stock K. At ngayon ay bago natin pag-usapan ang ating episode 1 sa Learn to Trade, ay huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe sa ating channel at pakipress na din ang notification bell para palagi kayong ma-update sa mga bagong videos na i-upload natin. So ngayon guys, pag-uusapan natin, Learn to Trade episode 1, how to compute for PSE stock transaction fees, both buy and sell. So ngayon guys, ito kasi is karaniwang tinatanong, especially na mga newbie pa lang sa stock market. So ngayon pag-uusapan natin kung paano kino-compute yung mga transaction fees regarding sa pagbili at pagbenta ng stock, no? So una, ipapakita natin yung ginawa nating Excel dito. So yung nakikita natin sa left side, okay? Ito guys yung ating transaction fees for buying stocks. Then yung nasa left guys, so ito naman yung transaction fees for selling stocks. So ito guys, i-upload ko na lang at ilalagay ko dun sa description box yung download link para meron kayong guide kung paano mag-compute. So for this one, titingnan muna natin yung mga binabayaran natin kapag tayo ay bumibili ng stock. So number 1 P na binabayaran natin pagka tayo bibili, so syempre we have commission. Number 2, we have VAT o tinatawag nating value added tax. Number 3, so we have PSE Transaction Fee. Number 4, we have SCCP or what we call Securities Clearing Corporation of the Philippines fee. So apat lang guys for buying stocks. So for transaction fees for selling stocks, so we have 5. Number 1, we have commission fee. So number 2, we have VAT or what we call a value added tax. Number 3, we have PSE transaction fee. Number 4, SCCP. And number 5 guys, ito yung nadagdag for transaction fees kapag tayo ay magbebenta ng stock. So we have sales tax. So paano ba kino-compute to? So before that, at bago tayo mag-compute, so let's define first yung mga terms na ginamit natin sa mga babayaran natin in buying and in selling stocks. So, okay. Number 1 is broker's commission. So, for broker's commission, guys, it is the fee charged by stockbroker, such as COL, BPI Trade, Accord Capital, First Metro Securities, whenever a customer buys or sells stocks using their platform. So, syempre guys, yung ating mga broker like COL, BDO Nomura, BPI Trade, dito sila guys kumikita, Kapag bibili tayo, in every trade na gagawin natin, so meron silang fee doon na sinisingil sa atin. Either buy or sell, So, wala silang pakialam kahit malugi tayo, still kumikita pa rin sila. So this is basically how brokers make money, and they charge this fee for every trade made, regardless if the customer is making a profit or loss. Brokers' commissions vary per broker, but the maximum they can charge is 1.5% of the transaction amount or a fixed minimum fee of 20 pesos, whichever is higher. So meaning lang nun guys, so meron tayong tinatawag na minimum and maximum. For minimum broker's commission, so we have 20 pesos, Then yung maximum guys, 1.5% of the transaction amount. So si transaction amount guys is equivalent to gross trade amount. So mamaya, i-define natin yung gross trade amount. Then for number 2, so we have beside this, from broker's commission, so meron pa tayong tinatawag na transaction or yung VAT. The transaction is also charged the government tax of 12% VAT. So, let's say for example, ang broker's commission is nasa 200 pesos. So, syempre, bukod doon, meron pa tayong babayaran na 12% VAT na manggagaling din dun sa 200. So, for example, 200 nga, ano? So, plus 200 multiplied by 12% equals 24 pesos. So, meaning, 200 plus 24 pesos, no? Yung ating babayaran dito sa ating broker's commission at yung value added tax. Then, bukod sa dalawa na yon, so meron pa din tayo. This is for number 3. We have SECP or clearing fee. This is the fee charged by the Securities Clearing Corporation of the Philippines, a wholly owned subsidiary of the PSE, which facilitates clearing and settlement of stock transaction. So sila guys yung paprocess ng ating mga trades, ano, upang ito ay ma-clear or ma-settle. Then the clearing fee is 0.01% of the transaction amount. So for number 4, we have PSE Transaction Fee. So bukod dun sa may clearing fee natin na binabayaran kay SSCP, so syempre meron din cut sa atin si PSE Transaction Fee. So all stock trades go through the exchange or the PSE, and for that, the PSE charges 0.005% of the gross trade amount of every transaction. So, bago tayo mag-proceed sa sales tax, so i-define muna natin yung gross trade amount. So, ano nga ba yung meaning ni gross trade amount? So, pagka i-compute natin to guys, ang formula ni gross trade amount is equal to price per share multiplied by the number of share. No? So, yun lang yun guys, of a stock. Then, for number 4, we have sales tax. It is charged only to sellers of stocks. And the sales stock is 0.5% of the gross sales amount. So, uulitin natin guys, si gross trade amount is equal to price per share multiplied by the number of shares na bibili natin. So, let's jump from colfinancial.com. Since si COL guys yung pinakasikat dito sa Pinas, ano, na broker sa stock market, so syempre dito tayo magpo-focus. So for buying and selling, so we have this one, ano, for commission. So paano ba kino-compute si commission o si broker commission? So we have this formula. So gross trade amount multiplied by 0.25%, no? So paano natin kukunin si gross trade amount? So, let's say for example, bibili tayo ng stock kay Petron. So, meron tayong price per share na tinatawag dito, no? So, yung last traded price or yung ating tinatawag na market price is equal to the price per share na tinatawag. So, yun yung kailangan natin para makuha natin yung gross trade amount. So, for this one, kay Petron, ang kanyang price ngayon is 2.04 pesos per share. No? Then, isa pang kailangan natin is yung minimum number of share na pwede nating bilhin sa isang stock. So, for Petron, 1,000. No? Yun din guys yung tinatawag na board lot. Okay, ulitin natin. Si board lot, ibang term kay board lot is minimum share, no, na pwede nating bilhin. So for example, hindi pwede to, no? For example, gusto nating bumili ng 1,200 shares. Since ang kanyang board lot is 1,000, so meaning hindi tayo makakabili ng 1,200 shares. In short, bawal guys yung may gutal. So si board lot, naka-multiple of 1,000 siya. Okay? So for example, 1,000 to. So, syempre, ang minimum number of shares na pwede nating bilhin in multiple of 1,000. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000. Hindi pwede guys yung sobra, hindi rin guys pwede yung kulang. So, dapat in multiple of 1,000. No? 1,000, 3,000, 10,000. Okay guys, gets ba? So, yun lang yung guys for board lot. In multiple to, no? Multiple of 1,000. Then, ang minimum natin is, syempre, 1,000. Okay? Let's say, for example, bibili tayo ng Petron. No? Na 1,000 shares. Tapos, ang price niya per share is around 2.04. So, pagka pinag-multiply natin to, makukuha natin yung gross trade amount na tinatawag. So, let's compute. 2.04 multiplied by 1,000 shares equals 2,040 pesos. So, eto guys, yung 2,040 pesos na to is equivalent to the gross trade amount. So, si gross trade amount is 2,040 pesos. So, paano natin makukuha si commission or si broker's commission? So, 2,040 pesos multiplied by 0.25%. So, times 0.25%. So, guys, wag kakalimutan pindutin yung percent symbol, then equals. So, for commissions fee, we have 5.1. Then, yung VAT natin, paano i-compute to? So, syempre, kailangan natin nung commissions fee na na-compute natin dito sa first part, ano? Then, i-multiply natin siya by 12%. So, since may value na tayo for commissions or broker's commission, so 5.1 multiplied by 12%. 12% equals 0.612 peso. Then, for number 3, we have PSE Transaction Fee, ano? So, it is equivalent to the gross trade amount multiplied by 0.005%. So, si gross trade amount, uulitin natin, price per share multiplied by the number of shares na bibili natin. So, for example nga, yung kanina, so, yung price ni Petron is 2.04 multiplied by number of shares. Yung minimum guys, so 1,000, yung board lot. 1,000 equals 2,040 pesos. Then, i-multiply natin siya by 0.005%. So, multiplied by 0.005% equals 0.102 peso. Then, for SECP fee, so we have the gross trade amount multiplied by 0.01%. So, parehas lang din guys, no? 2,040 multiplied by 0.01%. 0.01% equals 0.204 peso. Then, for sales tax, so, number of shares na bibilin natin multiplied by price per share multiplied by 0.006. So, ito guys, yung ano na to, 0.006 na yan, nakadepende yan sa broker nyo. For COL, 0.006 ang kanyang value. So, let's compute. So, number of shares natin is 1,000. 1,000 multiplied by price per share. So, 2.04, no? 2.04 multiplied by 0.006. 0.006 equals 12.24. No? Kung titignan natin kung tama. Let's see. Okay. So, ito yun guys, no? Let's say for example, babalik tayo dito sa ating Excel, ano? So, for example, nakabili tayo 2.04 yung price niya per share, then bibili tayo ng 1,000. So, automatic na siya nagko-compute guys, no? Kung titignan natin. Ayan. So, for this one, ayan na siya guys. So, for transaction fees for buying stock, so we have commission, 5.1 pesos. For VAT, so we have 0.61. PSE Transaction Fee, 0.1. SECP, 0.2. Then, kung ipagpa-plus-plus natin yan, ang total fee natin for buying stocks is 6.02 pesos, no? Kung bibili tayo ng Petron, no? Price per share niya is 2.04 and yung number of shares is 1,000. Then, kung magbebenta tayo guys, so syempre, mas mataas sa presyo nung nabili natin siya, no? So, let's say for example, kung nakabili tayo sa 2.04 pesos per share, so dapat magbebenta tayo na mas mataas doon. So, let's say, for example, 3 pesos, ano? Okay. So, ang ating commission fee is 7.5 pesos. Then, number 2, VAT. So, 0.9. PSE Transaction Fee, 0.15. SECP, 0.3. Sales Tax, 15. And kung pagsasama-samahin natin yan, ang total fee is 23.85 pesos. Okay? So, matik na siya guys, no, na nagko-compute. Ang kailangan na lang nating kunin is yung price per share at yung number of shares na bibili natin. No? So, hindi na tayo magko-compute. So, ito guys, is ilalagay na natin sa description box yung download link para din na kayo mahirapang mag-compute sa transaction fee, no? For buying stocks and selling stocks. So, okay guys, see you sa next video, no? Sa episode 2 natin. So, keep watching guys at salamat sa panonood at sana ay meron kayong natutunan sa ating Learn to Trade episode 1. Happy watching guys, see you sa next video.